Splash pad fun. Learn what it means. Hello, friends around the world. Today, we're going to dive into a very cool topic, especially if you love summer as much as I do. We're talking about splash pads, a term that might be familiar to some and new to others. Whether you're by the beach, at a park, or in the city, splash pads can be a delightful subject. So, let's make a splash as we explore what this phrase means and where you might encounter one. A splash pad is also known as a spray pool, and it's an area for water play that has no standing water. This makes it much safer than pools, especially for families with young children. Imagine a surface or a sequence of interlocking surfaces with water jets and sprinklers shooting up out of the ground. There's often colorful equipment involved too, with different shapes and sizes designed to spray water in various patterns and heights. Splash pads are a hit during hot weather as they offer a refreshing escape from the heat. They're typically found in public parks, alongside pools, or as part of children's playgrounds. Not only do they provide cooling fun, but they're also a social hub where children and families gather and interact. When talking about splash pads, you'll often hear certain words and phrases associated with them. Spray features refer to the different ways water is dispensed, like misters, jet streams, or water cannons. The term interactive often comes up because many splash pads use sensors to activate the water as someone approaches, adding an element of surprise and engagement. Some common phrases that people might use when planning a visit include, "Let's cool off at the splash zone," or "The kids can't wait to run through the water jets." It's all about the fun and refreshing experience that a splash pad provides. Apart from being just a fun place to visit, splash pads play an important role in communities. They are inclusive play areas, accessible to children of all abilities and ages. Since there's no standing water, the risk of drowning is minimized, making them a safer option for families. Splash pads can also be seen as an investment in public health. They encourage children to be active, running around and playing in the water, rather than sitting indoors. In urban areas, where access to natural bodies of water may be limited, splash pads provide a valuable community service. I hope this video has given you a refreshing look at what splash pads are all about. They're more than just a fun way to beat the heat. They're safe, engaging, and an important part of community recreation. So the next time you hear someone talking about heading to a splash pad, you'll know exactly what the excitement is about. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. Stay curious, and keep learning new things every day.